Hello students, welcome to our channel Diksha Karnataka. As we all know, there are only 30 days left for our exam KCET 2024. So in this video, we will be discussing a detailed 30-day strategy how to crack physics for your KCET 2024. So in this video, we will be discussing a weekly planning where I'll be telling you in each week what chapters you have to study, what chapters you have to revise, and also we'll be dividing the whole syllabus into the high, medium and low priority chapters where you will be getting a list of these chapters based on their previous year weightage. Okay, so now let us see these chapters. So first, coming to your high priority chapters, these are the chapters which from where you can expect 5 to 6 questions. This classification we have done based on the previous year papers. So the first chapter is your electric charges and fields. Second, electrostatic potential and capacitance. Then we have current electricity. Next we have moving charges and magnetism. Then we have alternating current, ray optics and optical instruments, and wave optics. Okay, so practice these questions of these chapters thoroughly and solve more questions from these chapters. Now coming to medium priority chapters. So these are the chapters where we can expect 3 to 4 questions. So the first one is motion in a plane. Second is system of particles and rotational motion. Third is magnetism and matter. 4, electromagnetic induction. Then we have electromagnetic waves. Then we have dual nature of radiation and matter. Next is semiconductor electronics. Then we have atoms and nuclei. Okay. Now coming to the low priority chapters, these are the chapters from where we can expect hardly 1 to 2 questions. So you have to invest less time for these chapters. So first is your physical world. Then we have units and measurements. Then we have motion in a straight line. Then laws of motion, gravitation, mechanical properties of solids, mechanical properties of fluids, thermal properties of matter, thermodynamics, kinetic theory, oscillation, waves, and work energy and power. So you can see high weightage chapters are mostly from your PU2 topics and low priority chapters are from your PU1 topics. So accordingly you have to divide your time. So now as we know only 30 days are left, we are giving you a detailed plan what chapters you have to do in the week 1 so that you can complete the high priority chapters well in advance and you can get enough time to revise these chapters. So what you have to do in week 1, you have to devote your time to finish these chapters: electric charges and fields, electrostatic potential and capacitance, current electricity, moving charges and magnetism, motion in a plane, system of particles and rotational motion, magnetism and matter, right? So invest your time so that you can complete all these chapters, prepare proper short notes for them, list out all the formulas of these chapters, and you have to write at least 1 mock test during this time. And you have to do proper revision of the formulas. Okay, so prepare proper short notes, very important, so that it will be helpful for you during your exam and you can do a quick revision. Okay, now coming to your week 2. So for week 2, you have to do chapters alternating current, ray optics and optical instruments, wave optics, dual nature of radiation and matter, electromagnetic induction, electromagnetic waves. Okay, so again revise these chapters, invest your time in such that you can revise these chapters and also keep a revision of your first week chapters. So you have to do proper revision of the week 1 topics and you have to write here also 1 mock test in exam conditions. You can also do chapter wise PYPs so that you can get a you can get sure whether what you are studying you are able to apply that or not. Okay, now coming to week 3, here we will be going towards little moderate weightage and low weightage chapters. So first is your semiconductor electronics, then we have atoms, nuclei, physical world, units and measurement, motion in a straight line, laws of motion, gravitation and mechanical properties of solids. So you can give less time for this low weightage chapters, which are there in these 4 topics. So you can give less time here and give more time to this high weightage chapters here. Now coming to week 4, here we have only low weightage chapters: mechanical properties of fluids, thermal properties of water, thermodynamics, kinetic theory, oscillation, waves, work energy and power. In week 3, you have to complete the revision of week 1 and week 2, which consisted of high and moderate weightage chapters. And then you have to also write 2 to 3 mock tests. As we are now approaching towards the exam, the number of mock tests we have to increase. Okay, and then last week you have to just do the revision of high priority chapters, revise the formula sheets you have done, revise the short notes that you have prepared, and you have to also write minimum 3 to 5 mock tests, okay, so that you can analyze how is your preparation going on. So this is the overall plan for this week, for this 4 weeks, so that you can channelize your preparation properly and you can improve your scores, okay. Now coming to what from where you will study, or what is the order how you should study or prepare a topic. So first is you have to revise the notes. So these are the notes which you have prepared in your in your classroom or in your coaching institute, or you have got from somewhere. So you can revise these notes thoroughly. Then you can go for NCRT and exemplar. Okay, so you can go just revise the NCRT book and you can do some questions from the NCRT exemplar. After that, go through chapter wise PYPs. So what will this help you to? This one will help you whether the chapter that you have prepared is you have done it 100% or not, or any doubt is there or not, you can know. Means you can understand what is your hold over the chapter. If you are able to do the PYPs correctly, you are confident that okay, this chapter is done for the exam. Now coming to reference book. So this is very important point. If you have referred to any reference book before, okay, so at this time you can just revise them, but do not go for any new book or any new reference at this point of time. You have to only focus on multiple revisions of high weightage topics. Okay, so this is only optional if you have done it before. After this, you can go for mock test, as many as possible also, but these mock tests you have to remember 2 points. You have to write it under exam conditions. Okay, so continuously you have to sit for 1 hour without any book, without any opening any book or getting up from your place. You have to write it under exam condition. And one more point is you have to do it proper analysis, right? So after you have written the mock test, analyze your test, what are your weakness, what are your strength, which chapters you need to focus on. So that will give you an idea and you can revise accordingly. Okay, so this is the proper strategy to complete each chapter. Now coming to, okay, so this is all about studies and what we have planned. Now what else we should focus on so that our score can be more. So first is ensure thorough and timely revision. Means what? You have to complete all the high weightage chapters well in advance and you have to focus on multiple revisions of these topics. Okay. Next is you have to take timely mock test. Okay, so that is what I just told you. Mock test should be taken under proper exam conditions and also it has to be analyzed properly. Next is you have to do proper analysis of the mock test. So here what you can do is when you do the analysis, you can prepare a sheet where you can write whether like question number and whether it is correct or wrong, and then you write down the reason why it is wrong. What was the reason for that question to be wrong? Whether it is like you don't know that concept, you did any silly mistake, or you have any calculation mistake. So you can analyze on what type of mistakes you have done and then you can work on it. Okay, so analysis is very important. After every mock test, analyze it. Okay. Next is you have to manage your time effectively so that you can cover the syllabus. Okay, so for this, for one, you have to prepare proper short notes so that you can do timely revision and multiple revision. See, it is now very difficult to revise from the book again. So if you have your short notes ready, you can easily revise them, right? So that is why prepare your proper short notes and use your time to revise them. Next we have, yes, you have to give much importance to your health. As we all know, health is wealth. So if your health is proper, you can give complete attention to your studies. So just invest some time in doing some meditation or go for a walk. Do some kind of small exercises so that you are fully active, your brain is active, and you can do 100% on your studies. Next is your, okay, maintain calmness and confidence. This one is very important. When you write the mock test, right? So there may be some times when you get very less score, okay, or it is not up to your expectation level. But then also you should not lose the confidence. You have to think that okay, this test is not good, I'll do better, and you have to analyze, you have to work on your weakness, and you have to come back stronger next time. Okay, so don't be panic when the test doesn't go well. Keep yourself calm and have trust on yourself. Okay, that is very important. Have faith on yourself. Next is don't hesitate to seek help if necessary. See, teachers are always there to help you. So any doubt, any concept you need clarification, any help you need, please approach your subject teachers. They will definitely help you, right? And they will also give you ideas on how to work on your weak points. So just follow their instructions and go and ask to your teachers any problem you have, right? Okay. So now, as I told you, mock tests are very important to practice. So Diksha has a free mock test series. We have launched 8 mock tests, which are absolutely free for every student who all are preparing for KCET. So the link of this test will be given in the description section. Go there, join the test, analyze it, attempt it, and then you will be knowing where you are standing, right? Okay. So all the very best for your exam. Work hard, stay up till the exam is over. You have to be very focused, don't get distracted. It's only a time of 30 days, so prepare very seriously from now onwards, right? So all the very best for all the KCET aspirants. So now, if you have liked this video and you find it is useful for you, so please like, share and subscribe the channel so that you can get such informative videos in the future also. Thank you.